Hello guys, we are from Jinhua Jusen Garden factory. Today we introduce our new model for Jinxi 65cc 2-stroke. It's very strong, very strong power, so we can use it to sow some thicker and add trees. So it's very easy to work with it and easy to start and quickly to respond. Has power is 3 kilowatts. So it can be equipped with a max of 30-inch guide bar, and as quality is very good product and stable. So customer feedback is very good. So guys, welcome to purchase this product, Jinxi 65cc 2-stroke. Thank you.